In this video, I'll show you how to have a store on Amazon. So the first thing that we want to do is go to sell.amazon.com. And this is where we're going to basically fill out all our forms and name our shop and so forth. So what you're going to do is just click on sign up. Now you're going to put in your Amazon account information. If you don't have one, click on create your Amazon account. And you're just going to fill out your personal information and hit next. They'll send you an email and you'll just click the link in that mail. Now, alternatively, you've put in your Amazon details and now we get to the point where you're going to make your store. So what you want to do is just click on get started. And now you have 3 sections that you need to complete. Now, before we start filling out any forms, we need to answer where your business is registered. And when you're done, hit save and continue. And what type of business. So if you don't have a business that's specifically registered, you just want to pick individual and then hit save and continue. And now in the last half, you're going to need to provide this specific information. Just agree to this information here at the bottom and then hit agree and continue. And this is the form that you're going to need to fill out. So it's all of your personal information, your home address or business address, your ID, country of birth, citizenship, names, last names, and so forth. And then you also need to pick a document and then upload that document as proof of your address. So the address details need to match. Make sure it's a recent document as well. On the second half, you'll be asked to name all of your store information. So the name of your store, what exactly your store is going to sell, and so forth. And then on the last section, you'll be asked to provide those documents we spoke of earlier. And then you officially have created an Amazon store. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.